I am Shane Arjano. I'm 38 years old. I originally came in to the clinic with foot pain, um, and then they just helped me out progressing in different areas. They helped me with my back because I recently had a back surgery. After going through physical therapy, it got me so much better. I started doing things I never thought I'd be able to do again. And then I was able to take part in their nutrition plan, which really kick-started my weight loss. And then I also topped it off with TRT, which helped me pretty much get my life back. It helped with the weight loss. I'm back in the gym. I just have so much more energy, and I even notice it like in my daily routines at work. Staff here at Schrock Medical, they're just you don't see it very often anywhere else. They're always really personal. They get to know you. They're always genuinely concerned. They just want to see how you're doing each day. Every time you come in, it's almost like a family here. They just make sure that everything is going the way it's supposed to be going, and if you have any concerns, they address it really quick. The services here are just amazing. I would recommend it to anyone.